Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So this video will be a recapitulation of Feb month that we didn't do. I know that we had already entered in March and it's already been 1 week of March, not 1 week, yes, 1 week of March, and we are still pending with our Feb recapitulation and we'll be doing it right now. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Preeti Chauhan. I hope you are loving my videos. I hope that you are enjoying it. If you are doing it so, kindly like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. As well as if you want to share anything, if you want to give any feedback, feel free to comment in my videos. I'll be more than happy to acknowledge the same. Apart from this, we are going through a lot of things. We went for several interviews in Feb. We did a lot of things. This is not something that we didn't get selected. We were not sure. A lot of things happened in Feb, by the way. A lot of things still yet to be happening. My Feb month was not very perfect, I would say. That was really disturbing for me in view of mental health, in view of physical health, in view of internally changing, in view of like I don't know if it was the effect of changing weather, if it was the effect of traveling so often, if it was the effect of stressing out a lot just because of my academics and everything. I don't know. I'm completely unaware and I don't want to find out, I would say, because I'm loving that even if I'm feeling, I'm still coming back with the same force, with the same energy each and every day. And this is something that I have been learning since so long. I'm loving it. My skin is not at all behaving right, but still I'm trying to figure it out, what will be happening. I'm not able to save the money the way I wanted to, but still I'm trying. I'm not able to do everything perfectly, but as I mentioned already that we'll not be doing anything perfect in 2025. We'll just keep trying and we'll just keep learning about it. We'll not try to be perfect. Even though we are trying, we're not forcing ourselves that we have to be perfect, and that is what we are focusing on right now, right? Feb was very calm, that was not at all hectic, but I felt it hectic. But the good thing about Feb was we didn't give up. We tried. We were not good mentally, but we tried to be. We were not good physically, but we didn't stop in between. We tried to move ourselves. We also tried a new habit and we are also working on it. It's been a week, yes, we started in March only. It's been a week and I'm loving it. I was not doing any sports after my karate and I was missing it. So yes, we had started it and I'll make sure that we'll be continuing it until unless our body will feel right, until unless we'll be feeling right about it. We are doing it consistently. The content creation, I would say. I hope you are able to see it. I hope you are appreciating it as well. That is it about Feb, I would say. Let's see how March will be going. I know just few more weeks and March will also come to an end. I don't know, but I'm not at all feeling right, but I'm feeling right about it. This is something that I should not worry about, but worry about at the same time. Is this the peak of adulthood that everyone talks about? I don't know. Turning 20 feels right, but not at all right at the same time. I know I'm very confused right now, but this is the state of our life and we have to cherish it, right? So that's it for today's video. I hope I'll be seeing you all with another video super soon. Till then, take care and stop worrying about the thing that's happening right now around you and start accepting everything. Don't stop spreading love among yourselves and take care of yourself. Namaste. Bye bye.